Alright, continuing on. CNC 3826, going to the 13-14 Playbook and Ultimate. Base card number 249 for the Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Waugh. We've got a breakout jersey number 199 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scott Lawton. And we've got a rookie jersey and auto booklet number 199 for the San Jose Sharks, Tomas Hertl. The Ninja Hertl. Tomas Hertl. Out of 199. Sick. Now on to the Ultimate. Teenage Mutant Ninja Hertl. Interesting. We've got a base card number 499 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. We've got a rookie number 499 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jeff Zatkov. We've got a rookie autograph number 299 for the New York Rangers, Jesper Fast. Jesper Fast. And oh, yes. We've got, well, the patches leave a little too bizarre, but we've got a dual patch and autograph number 13 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. 13 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. All right, come next, Dominion and Prime.